Hello, it's Cypher 2011 doing fun things. That's what dog does. My sister's on me doing all this. And of course our dog's in this. So yeah, I'm the one that's taping this time. But,
Come on, Izzy. Come on. You can do it.
well, she hasn't taken it yet. Uh-oh. Okay, she's up and she's, yeah, she took it! Abby! That's Santa. Santa doesn't want to get a rug burn.
Hey guys.
Huh?
You didn't take a camera sitting on top of here, did you?
No. Sorry, that was our dad. Ah, take it. Take it. Take it. Faster. She's only grab it. Yeah, she grabbed it. Ah! See, when the dog starts going for it, it gets really funny. Okay, that concludes our dog and her favorite toys. Okay, it's only go for like a minute or so. Bye.